Hello everyone, I have here a satin brass Hampton Bay Minuet 2. I had one of these before, and if you go back and look at my videos, you'll find it way down there. I don't have that one anymore. It didn't survive the move, but I got this one. It's new in box. Well, it was. And it wasn't very expensive, and I do like these, so I was happy about it. This one runs pretty well. I don't believe that it's made by SMC, so that would make it Aloha Breeze. The light works. It's got a buzz that vibrates through the framing. Oops. But if I were to install it on the down rod, I probably wouldn't do that. But yeah, it's a pretty cool fan. I like it. And that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.